welcome to our video. I am Asmaarani and
I'm Devi.
So in this video we're gonna show you how to make Chocolatos lava cake.
And because of COVID-19 we make it virtually.
And let's get started.
The ingredients we need are 3 sachets of Chocolatos drink, butter, an egg, 45 grams of flour or 3 tablespoons flour, 30 grams of sugar or 2 tablespoons sugar, 100 milliliters of hot or warm water, 3 tablespoons melted butter, and that's all the ingredients.
We need a spoon, bowl, whisk, glass, and a mold. First of all, brew Chocolatos drink with hot or warm water until dissolved. Next, crack the egg and add sugar. Stir it until the dough is well blended. After that, add the flour and stir until the dough is brown. Then add the melted butter into the dough and stir it too. At last, the dough is ready to be put into the mold.
First, spread the mold with butter, and flour. It must be done so that the cake isn't sticky. Second, put the dough into the mold. Next, steam for 5 to 15 minutes over a medium heat. Finally, serve on a plate with toppings such as icing sugar or ice cream. And enjoy your Chocolatos lava cake!
I think that's all from us.
And we hope you can make a delicious chocolate lava like this.
See you on our next virtual cooking video. Bye bye.